Myself, M. Arvind of CSIT, going to discuss the Tech Talk topic of organizing principles of paragraphs in documents. If you see the introduction, the first section of a paragraph should include the topic sentence and any other sentence at the beginning of the paragraph that give background information or provide a transition. A paragraph is a collection of sentences which all relate to main idea or topic. Effective paragraph have four main characteristics: a topic sentence, unity, coherence, and adequate development. Each of these characteristics uh, can be included in organizing principles in paragraphs. When we talk about effective writing, we often think first about elements like word choice, grammar, and mechanics, and convert or evidence. But a really important part of effective writing and effective thinking too is clear, logical organization. A paragraph is a group of related sentences that support one main idea. In general, paragraphs consist of three parts: the topic body, the body sentence, and including concluding or the bridge sentence to next paragraph or section. Any document is divided into three parts: introduction, a body that includes facts and analysis, and a conclusion. Each part of the paragraph plays an important role in communicating the meaning you intend to convey to the reader. When we know that a paragraph is a collection of sentences and it has one main idea. Remember, it is always better to start a paragraph with a topic sentence, as it conveys that the writer is going to reflect in this paragraph. We also call it the central reference, and the sentences revolve around it. Therefore, add some supporting sentences. It means adding some information about the topic, then end up with a concluding sentence. This will be your compact paragraph. If you see the body, it follows the discuss the introduction, idea, controlling, using, facts, arguments, analysis, example, and other information. The paragraph may be of the following type, such as descriptive, narrative, expository, and persuasive. The word limit in a paragraph should be 150 words with 3 to 8 sentences. Sometimes we can go up to 100 to 200 words with 5 to 6 sentences. The organizing principle should be a topic sentence, supporting sentence, concluding sentence clubbed with unity, coherence, and single idea. It is also important to understand the difference between the thesis sentences statement and a topic statement. So the thesis statement tells us what the writing is about. This is the main idea of writing in one sentence at the beginning. There is only one thesis statement. On the other hand, the topic statement tells what the para is about. There is only one topic sentence for each body of the paragraph. It clears why the thesis statement is true. If you observe, every paragraph in a document should be unified. Unified. All the sentences in a paragraph should be related to single controlling idea. The topic sentence of the paragraph clearly related to the research problem. The sentence should all refer to the critical idea or the thesis of the paper. Coherent. The sentences should be arranged in a logical manner and should follow a definite plan for development. Well developed. Every idea discussed in the paragraph should be adequately explained and supported through evidence and details that work together to explain the paragraph's controlling idea. For example, ideal students are only a few, though there are many students in every college. They are considered as valuable assets of the college because they are good at studies and the other activities too. There are they are always conscious about their duties and they discharge them well. They are obedient, dightful, decent, and above all, perfect disciplinaries. This is why they are liked by all. Their presence in the college makes a big difference. In spite of great success, they never look down up upon their equals. Since they are quiet living and generous, they are liked by all. Besides, they are known as the pride of the college. I am concluding the topic organizing principles of paragraph documents by the final section summarizes the connections between the conclusion discussed in the paragraph of the body of the paragraph and the paragraph's controlling idea. With this, I conclude my topic and thank you.